everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, and I'm going to share how it worked for me, especially when I wear my hair naturally curly. I'm sure you've seen it all over ever since it launched. I saw a lot of YouTubers, influencers talking about it, and I wanted to see what the hype is about. I really wanted to try out this serum, and then they reached out to me to make this video, so I'm really thankful for them for sponsoring this video because I also got to try this serum out, which I anyway would have done. So now without a further ado, let's get started. It comes in this glass bottle and it's really sturdy and gives such a nice luxurious look. And this pump is really travel friendly because you have to move it for the pump to really work, and then you can lock it out so that even if you put it in a bag of a lot of products, it's not going to waste the product by pressing this. I always prefer such pump packaging. This is how the texture is. It's really lightweight, as you can see, and it absorbs really quickly. It looks like an oil, but within seconds it's going to get absorbed and it's not going to look greasy. You would feel it gives like an oily look, but it doesn't. It soon gets absorbed and it gives such a nice shine without looking greasy. Even on my hands, it quickly absorbs. It has a combination of 6 rare flower oils, that is lotus, tiare, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower. And because of these oils, this serum is also nourishing for your hair, and it makes it really easy to manage because oils are so healthy for your hair, right? So it makes your hair really manageable and soft. I have used the shampoo and conditioner from the same range. I have used only that throughout my college because I loved how soft it made my curly hair, because curly hair is really dry and frizzy. So this is the range I'm talking about. I should always recommend this shampoo and conditioner, and this serum is also from the same range, so you can have high expectations from this. And not related to the product, but I just want to talk about this image. This is an image from their campaign, and this is a nice flower and it is made using that oil. I don't know how they did it, but it looks really good. So now that you know the basic introduction of this serum, I'm going to show you how I style my curly hair with it. So after I wash my hair using shampoo and conditioner, I like to soak the excess water because it works the best on damp hair. So I take out excess water using a t-shirt and I lightly scrunch my hair. You should never roughly dry your hair, that is so bad for your hair. I divide my hair into 2 sections and I take about 4 to 5 drops for one side of my hair, and I run my fingers through it and evenly coat this serum all over my hair. If you have curly hair, make sure it's evenly distributed all over to really remove the frizz, and I repeat it on the other side as well. After I apply this serum, I scrunch my hair to boost the curl definition, and then I let my hair air dry, and my hair quickly air dries because I have not applied any heavy leave-in products. The serum is really lightweight, so it makes sure my hair quickly dries. And this is how my air dried hair looks like. If I had not used any serum, my hair would look really frizzy at this point. And after my hair is dry, I again like to use a little bit of serum. I take again 4 to 5 drops and I apply it all over my hair, and while applying it I scrunch it because I don't want to break the curl definition. So I don't run my fingers through it, but I lightly scrunch my hair and basically coat my hair with it without breaking my curls. So it makes sure whatever flyaways and extra frizz I have, it gets tamed down. And because of how lightweight this is, my hair even gets a lot of volume. As you can see, my hair is not weighed down and it still feels very airy and lightweight. It doesn't feel like I've applied like a leave-in product. I always thought serums don't work for curly hair because they never worked for me. My hair still used to look frizzy, but this is the first serum which actually worked on my natural curls. It works pretty well for taming down the frizz on my natural curls. My curls still look defined with minimal frizz. Another way I like to use this product is by scrunching out the crunch. So if you have applied any styling gel as part of your curly hair routine, so while scrunching out the gel cast, I just like to take 1 or 2 drops max and then scrunch my hair out. It gives a really nice shine to my curls and my curls look so defined and soft. So now you know it works really great for natural hair as well. This also works really great for heat styling. Now as you might know, I blow dry my hair straight pretty often, and this serum also works as a heat protectant. It protects your hair from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius, and I like to apply it on my damp hair before I style it, and it gives a really good shine. It also protects my hair from the heat. Plus after I'm done styling, my hair looks super shiny and healthy. And after I've styled my hair, I also like to take 2-3 drops and I roughly run through my dry hair to give that extra shine, and it manages the frizz pretty well, and I reapply it throughout the week to maintain my blowout, because for curly hair, you might relate to me, on second, third day hair, this area gets really poofy. So I like to take a little bit of serum and apply it like this when I have straight hair, and the blowout looks really good. So that's how I like to maintain my blowout. Another way this can be used is as an overnight treatment. So I try to use it in that way as well. I took a lot of product and I ran my fingers through it. Don't apply it on the scalp. It's not supposed to be applied on the scalp. It's only for the hair. And even though I applied a lot, my hair still doesn't feel like I have a lot of oil in my hair. Like, it doesn't look greasy. It still looks pretty good. And then I like to either put my hair in a bun or put braid, so that it's protected nicely in the braid while I sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, my hair feels super soft. It just works like a sleeping mask basically, but don't apply it on the scalp. And then I shampoo my hair so that the shampoo doesn't over dry my hair, because I already have something in my hair. You can even apply like 1 hour or a few minutes before you shampoo your hair. Even that works great. So apart from all the things I just talked about, it also has few more claims. It claims that it prevents damage from sunlight and UV rays. So if you're somebody who goes out often, or you have to travel a lot in the sun, this will really help to prevent the damage you're getting from the sunlight. So this is also great for chemically treated and color treated hair, and it also smoothens your hair by 87%. So it's perfect for humid weather. And also this is suitable for all hair types, even straight and wavy. And if you're into hair serums, I know a lot of people just use a hair serum. I'm sure you're gonna love this so much, because this is the best hair serum I have tried till now, because how smooth and shiny it makes my hair look. If you had to tell me in the past that my hair could look like this without any leave-in creams and using only a serum, I would not have believed you. But after seeing the result, I have fallen in love with this serum. And this is also perfect for those of you who don't like to use very heavy leave-in creams, and you just want like one serum, very lightweight serum. I feel this is perfect for you. But my hair doesn't look like this throughout the week, because my hair is curly, right? So it tends to be really frizzy and dry. So to maintain this, I reapply it every day, and then my hair can look like this. Like, look at my ends now, like they look super defined. And this retails for only 499 rupees. So if you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.